Okay, everyone has a different way of doing this. This is how I do it. It works pretty good. So I cut the wire off right at the top of the knot. What I do is I put a cut there, and I bend that over right around. Then I grab this little nub with the end of my pliers, and you just got to give it a little bit of and it slides off the end. Let's try it again. So let's cut it right at the top. So I'm going to cut it here. Grab that, bend it up over the wire, bend it around, loosen it off just a hair. Grab that, loosen it off a hair, and it just slides right off. Okay, everybody, I got this fence from SMB out of Wallenstein. I've had a hell of a time with the fourth strand from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, fourth strand from the bottom always wants to break. I'm on my 5th or 6th roll now. Every roll has broke, and it's always the fourth strand. So here we go. Let's see if it breaks. So I've tied every fence, every strand the same way. And it looks like, now that I'm videotaping, that it's not going to happen. But anyways, that's how you tie a knot. Snip her off at the bottom. And that is a very clean knot.